Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel, so your data entry is faster, cleaner, and more accurate. We'll be using our sample product list with items like laptops, monitors, and USB drives. Step 1. Select the cells. First, click and drag to select the cells under the category column from cell C2 down to C11. Step 2. Open Data Validation. Next, go to the top menu and click Data, then find and select Data Validation. Step 3. Set list criteria. In the Data Validation window, under Allow, choose List, then in the source box type Electronics, Accessories. Step 4. Confirm and test. Click OK, and now when you click any cell in the category column, you'll see a small arrow on the right. Click it, and you can choose either Electronics or Accessories. Step 5. Optional styling. You can also highlight these cells with a background color so it's clear where people should choose from the list. And that's it! You've just made a drop-down list in Excel. This keeps your data neat and prevents typos. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Excel tips. See you in the next video.